Every year, TRAK hosts this owners gathering right here in Nanaimo.
At the end of the first day, I was done. I was going to walk away. I couldn't do it.
I was ready to run away. I thought, I can't do any more of that. That was enough.
I wouldn't dare to do things that we do here by myself.
I was well outside my comfort zone, but knowing I had some people around me that would help me if I got in trouble made all the difference.
It was the TRAK team, the instructors, the guides, worked with me and took me from I can't do this to hell yeah, I can do this.
We're really inspired to continue to do more of this type of thing, to build skills and give people some confidence and community and connection to other paddlers. Human connection and community is one of the things that's really lacking in the world today.
We're sea kayakers, even with whitewater kayaks, we're all paddlers.
Here you understand that you're part of the pod.
They care about your well-being, they care about your safety.
Everybody's accomplishment is everybody else's accomplishment too.
You paddle together, you set up camp together, you eat together, you're very present with everybody you're with.
They go to great lengths to try to help you in your journey.
They're very willing to share information and level anybody up no matter where you're starting.
Where do you get all this knowledge? From YouTube? It would have been a very long learning curve.
I was guided through this experience, and I know that next time I see these conditions, I'll feel much more comfortable.
Definitely has elevated my confidence.
Really helped me to such a deeper level. I'm a changed person, to tell you the truth.